reminder of the main news just now. The Pentagon has released video footage of a U.S. torpedo attack on an Iranian warship off the coast of Sri Lanka, which sunk the vessel. 87 bodies have been found. More than 60 sailors are missing. Strikes have been intensifying inside Tehran as well. The BBC's Shayan Sadari-Zadeh described what's happening to NewsHour.
You can barely see any part of the city being the target of airstrikes. Just hearing from some people on the ground who've been speaking to us, there is no comparison between this and the 12-day war in June, in the sense that the number of airstrikes, the number of bombings are sort of far, far higher than what they witnessed just a few months ago.
On the fifth day of the conflict, Iran's president has said his country had no choice but to fight back as it launches more strikes on neighbors. You're listening to NewsHour. If you ever find yourself being part of one of those conversations about how revolutionary AI actually is, then you might want to listen to what's coming up, because it includes some remarkable claims about what AI can do. Researchers in California working on what they call generative biology say AI can now model genetic code, and I quote, for all domains of life. What on earth does that mean? Can you create the genome of a new animal? Not yet, but apparently a new bacteria you can. Rivka Isaacson is Professor of Molecular Biophysics at King's College London. Can you just sort of explain to us what this research is enabling us to do?
Well, there are quite a few different things it can do. It looks at the genomes of species from bacteria to fungi to plants to humans, and it's trained this AI model to now recognize patterns that we would never have been able to find with earlier tools, because it looks at the genome. So, each one of us is made up of billions of cells, and inside each cell we have nuclei, and then they have this extremely long DNA sequence, which not only encodes the instructions for all the machinery inside our bodies that does all kinds of jobs that keeps us healthy, there's also tons and